Hi guys, this is Sourdough Kathy here in Anchorage, Alaska, and I am putting out the potato plants that you saw me start from chits. I have no choice but to get them outside. I have got flowers on them. Now whether or not there's any potatoes in there, I haven't got a clue. But I've run out of room in the house. I've also got bok choy here. And you can see bok choy down in the center. Now, I apologize for not having anything up. I've been quite sick lately, and I landed up in the hospital the other night. But I finally got this thing made, little polytunnel, and I'm going to put that over this because it's just the 1st of May. We can still have a frost. Anything's possible. I mean, frost is possible. Snow is even possible. I've seen it in the first week of June. So I just wanted to give you a little heads up, and I'm going to show you the rest of my room and how it's doing. The reason I had to get these outside was to make room to put the other plants under some lights. So I'll get back in just a minute and I'll show you the rest of it. Okay, so I showed you yesterday why I had to put my potatoes outside, and this is one of the reasons. This is a squash plant that is gone crazy. I have fully blossoming zinnias and giant marigolds. I have obviously marigolds in here. I also have peppers way in the back, and right here I have a whole bunch of beautiful little cabbages that really need to get outside or someplace else. I still have some bok choy left in here, and I apologize for the light. It's bouncing off everything here. As you can see, my lemon cucumbers are going nuts. I have more marigolds here that I planted later, and they went crazy. Even though I had to separate them and cut them, the roots, literally cut them, they're living like crazy. Thank you for worm castings. Now over here I have 4 tomatoes in very small, I'm going to try and not break this. Sorry about that. Very small pots. They're only 4-inch pots, and they need to be potted up. And I've got 2 in red pots out in my living room right now that I was just getting ready to pot up so that I can get them in the lights out front. Back here I still have acorn squash growing like crazy that need to come out, and more squash and pumpkins. So, and I have onions that had to get into a bigger space, so they took over a lot of things. I had to start some new broccoli because the other ones got so big in a solo cup that they were putting out broccoli. So I fed them to my worms. So that's the story with what's going on in the grow room. I hope to get everything going. Now the stuff I put outside survived last night, and I'm thankful for that. It was stayed in the 50s, so it had to be at least in the 60s inside the polytunnel. Well, that's it for now, folks. If you like this, subscribe, hit the like button, or don't. Whatever pleases you. Thank you. I love you all for watching. Bye-bye now.